Hey guys, it's Allison. So today's video is going to be a prepping for the semester video, and this is kind of the end of the video because I'm already like done and prepped and finished, but I forgot to do an intro, so I'm doing it now. And basically it lasted like, this video is about like a week, so it's like a week, like a vlog kind of thing, and I show you guys what I do to prep for the semester. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, comment down below any videos you want me to do next, subscribe down below if you're new to my channel, turn on post notifications to get an update every time I post a new video. And let's get started with the video. It is January 15 and I am getting ready to go back to school. I'm going back in a week's time. It's crazy, I can't believe it. I have done nothing crazy, but I'm cutting out stuff like letters and pictures for my trifle board for the spring involvement fair, because I'm the president of organization on campus, so I gotta get a new trifle board. I wanted to update it. We already have one, but I just wanted something new, so that's coming in the mail soon. So I'm cutting everything out, and I just wanted to explain to you guys my schedule for this semester because it's kind of different. So last semester I had 4 classes, and then I had work, and then I had one organization to, you know, be part of. And so this semester I am actually having 5 classes again, which is a total of 16 credits that I usually do. And I have 3 classes in person and 2 classes online, and then I also work, and then I am part of 2 organizations now. So I'm president of one, and then I'm part of the e-board in another. So I am doing a lot this semester. I have a lot of meetings. I have about 3 psych courses that I'm taking, and then I'm taking a lit class and a sociology class, so I'm excited for that. I have my planner, also gonna show you how I plan and everything. I like being busy and everything, but yeah. Okay, so I look a mess. I came back from eating, hanging out, all that stuff, but my board came in when I got home. It was there, and it's right here. It's like big, super big. So I am still cutting out stuff because since I was out, I wasn't able to cut anything. I have one from my advisor. It's just a job posting. Another one from my advisor, which doesn't look like it has anything in it. There's one submission form that I did and it got approved. Then career services. So I got an email from my advisor for one of the organizations that I'm a part of, and he says, "Hi all, wanted to make sure you're in the loop as well. We will communicate with Hall Council shortly, and we will discuss during training how y'all need to give some extra love and support to the townhouse and North Councils, but we'll definitely blah blah." That's a lot to read, so I'm gonna read that later. We got one from the bookstore to get books, another one from the bookstore, one from Chegg. Okay, so I gotta read this one. So this is from one of my new professors for one of my psych classes, and she's just asking us to get the book by our first class, which I don't know if that's gonna happen, but I think it should be fine if we don't get it by the first class, to be honest. So I gotta print out this syllabus, so I gotta print that out, and then let me flag that. I have to go look through my suitcase that I brought to Disney and see what clothes are inside. Now I'm packing up my clothes. Most of my clothes are in here, but I think I could fit more. but I have some here. I'm bringing my curling iron because yeah, in case I need it. Then I have medicine here. Then I have hair what is it? The hair thing, so I could take a shower if I don't need to wash my hair. And I have more clothes. I'm just sticking it in just for now. I have Converse here and my Air Force Ones that I'm bringing back. But yeah, it's not even focused. But yeah, I don't know if I'm bringing more stuff in here, but that's what I'm bringing so far. So it's January 18, and I haven't showed you guys my planner yet, which I always said I was gonna show. So here is the planner. It's just marble and pink planner 2020. This planner is from Blue Sky Planners, and it's really cute because it gives you like this folder, like, you know, pocket slip on both sides, and you could put stuff in it. And then this is how the months look. I'm gonna just show you September 2019 because it's empty. So it just looks like that, and then on one of the sides it says get stuff done. Each month starts off with like a quote, and each weekly one, it looks like this, and it also shows a quote and also currently loving and notes part. So I really like this. I need to really be organized this semester, so I'm hoping that I use it because this was like $25, so yeah. So then I have these pens, and this is just the highlighter right here that I'm color coding with. And yeah, so I'm trying to make it all pretty so I actually use it. I need to get my nails done, so I'm doing that Monday. Today is Saturday, so I'm doing my nails. I don't know, it chipped over here and then I peeled it off. And then tomorrow I am cutting my hair. I don't know the length I'm cutting my hair, but yeah. And also I forgot to show you guys, but at the end of the month it shows best of the month, and it's like loving, feeling, enjoying, anticipating, watching, reading, listening to, wishing, planning, obsessed with, and then goals on the bottom, like 3 goals. But yeah, it's really cute planner. Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you guys what I'm actually gonna do. This is June 2020, which has nothing in it. So I think what I'm doing with the other months, the ones that I'm using for school, is that I'm gonna put like important, like meetings, dates, sorry, my nails, like important stuff here and stuff like that, like meetings, events, all that just jazz, whatever you say. Also like the stuff here as well, if they can't fit in these dates. Then in the actual like weekly thing, I might put a small reminder, but most of this would be for like homework and stuff like that that's due, because it's like bigger instead of putting it here. So yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. As you can see, I cut my hair. That's another prep for the semester. Kind of cut it short. Wanted it. I like it this way actually. I'll show you before and after, but yeah, I'm gonna use it after. So I'm back on my camera. The maybe 1 or 2 clips that I got earlier were on my phone, but I'm back on my camera. As you can see, as I was showing you guys, my hair is short. I'm gonna show you guys a little haul right now. And yeah, so I got one thing from Gap, and I got this shirt, and it's an extra small. This was like $12, or and it's just like this tank top for a summer, just this pretty green color. And I like these shirts. I'm always wearing these shirts in the summer, so that's good. I got this beanie from Urban Outfitters, and I'm gonna show you the other stuff that I got from Urban Outfitters. So the other thing, whenever I record, the heater always turns on. Anyways, so this shirt I got, it's kind of similar to like the green one, but this is from Urban Outfitters, and it like kind of hangs, and it's like kind of like a snake print, I don't know. And then I got a scrunchie, so it just looks like this for my short hair now. Hopefully it holds up. I got a mini detangler wet brush. These brushes are so good. I like have 20 million of these, but I got a small one to keep in my bag and stuff like that, and to keep here as well, because I just brought my brush from college home, so I didn't have a brush here. But yeah, this is really good. I recommend you getting one of these. And also in Urban Outfitters, they also have like the wet brush, but it has like coconut oil infused in it. I don't know, I wanted to try that one, but my brush is still good, like the big one. So yeah, I got a regular small one. And then I got a tiny Batiste dry shampoo. I have the big one, the brown, the one that like matches your hair color, but this one is just a regular one, and this is good to keep in your bag and stuff like that. Yeah, in case you need it. And then I went to Sephora and I got a couple of things. So I wanted a new bronzer and blush, the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Duo. Yeah, and it looks like this. Sorry, my nails. I'm getting them done tomorrow. That's another prep for the semester. And this is in Lyric and Shadow Play, so this is the medium tone one. And this one is a Patrick Ta 4-Face Velvet Blush Monochrome Moment, and this is in the color She's Seductive. I got invisible bobble hair rings, so these are just like hair ties. This is a clear one, and this is just a black one. These were $8 each. And then I got a Sephora sponge. This is Total Coverage Sponge, and it just looks like this. And then I got the Tarte Sea Surfer Curl, and I just wanted to try this out. So this is just like the mini size. Supposedly this, I don't know if it's gonna focus. Yep, not gonna focus. But I'm gonna also use this in the tutorial maybe. But yeah, hopefully that's good, because I usually like, you know, waterproof mascaras because they hold my curl, and this is obviously probably not a waterproof one, so let's see how that works. And then I got my mom an eyeliner. She likes these eyeliners from Sephora, and it's just like the Sephora brand, and then the retractable eyeliner waterproof, and it's in matte black. So yeah.
If we having the beans, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my brother? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot, babe.
So I am back home from going to the nail salon. I know I've been wearing this sweater like this whole entire video, but this is like my favorite sweater. And plus the rest of my hoodies are at school. But anyways, so these are my nails. My hands are like kind of cold right now, so like they're like red, but they're like a purple kind of sparkly color. These are my natural nails, by the way, and I always get like the gel polish. But yeah, it lasted me like a long time. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That was like the end of prepping for the semester. It's been a long week. Not really, it's been a short week, but anyways, so I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.